Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aiman Nabila binti Ishaq from RAS 1202B. My matric number is 20204888804. Today, I would like to present my case study report titled as the stomach turn. Enzymes are biological molecules bringing about almost all of chemical reaction in living organisms. Enzyme can speed up chemical reaction but can stay unchanged that takes place within the cell. All of those enzymes has the different function and perform the important tasks in our body. For an example, digestive enzymes are required for digestive system to work properly. Digestive enzymes mostly produced in pancreas, stomachs, and small intestines. Someone who has suffered with poor digestion and malnutrition will call them as exocrine pancreatic insufficiency, which is API. When we become older, all the digestive secretion, including salivary amylase, pepsin, hydrochloric acid, bile, and pancreatic enzyme are decreased. When that happens, digestive enzyme replacement may be an option. Enzymes are vital for life and serve a wide range of important functions in the body, such as aiding in digestion. Once food that we eat are fully broken down, nutrients are absorbed into our body through the wall of the small intestines and distributed through the bloodstream. Without this enzyme, the nutrients in our food go to waste. A lack of digestive enzyme can lead to gastrointestinal disease. Gastrointestinal disease affects the gastrointestinal tract from the mouth to the anus. It includes vomiting, food poisoning, lactose intolerance, and others. Other than that, lack of digestive enzyme also can leave you malnourished, even if you care about your diet. For many enzyme molecules, their synthesis may be decreased with age. When that happens, digestive enzyme replacement may be an option. Digestive enzyme replacement take over the place of the natural enzyme and it works just like the natural one. Because they are meant to mimic the natural enzyme, they must be taken just before we eat. Eat it because they can do their work as food comes. Now we move to the question. For the first question is, how do enzymes work? According to Gordon G. Hammers, show that enzymes are the catalysts for biochemical reaction that happen in living organisms. Some of enzymes help to break down large molecules into the smaller ones that are more easily to absorb by the body. Enzymes work by lowering a reaction activation energy, which the minimum energy necessary for a specific chemical to occur. Enzyme bind to its substrate, forming an enzyme substrate complex to enzyme product complex, and finally form a product. To catalyze a reaction, an enzyme will bind to one or more reactant molecules. In some reaction, one substrate is broken down into multiple products. As an example, when the amylase enzyme binds to a starch, it catalyzes hydrolysis resulting in maltose. For the second question is, what enzymes are in those digestive aids? The American Society of Health System Pharmacists claim that some prescriptions of enzymes contain pancrelipase, which is made up of amylase, lipase, and protease. These medications are usually coated to prevent stomach acid from digesting the medication before it reaches the intestines. For the third question is, are they the same as our own digestive enzyme? Will be effective? Rebecca Briggs stated that even though they both aid the digestive process, the prescription of enzymes are not the same with our own enzyme. Digestive enzymes are molecules which use in the breakdown of the food that we eat, whereas the prescription enzymes are living microorganisms which live in our gut and positively affects our body. But in some research proven by the professional, the prescription enzymes are not effective at all at elevating gas or bloating. The results state that these prescriptions only proven effective for certain medical conditions. For the fourth question is, how digestive enzyme affected when people having high fever? If someone having high fever and the temperature keep increasing, the structure of enzyme will break down. They no longer function properly. John 8 claimed that as with many chemical reactions, the rate of an enzyme catalyst reaction increases when the temperature increases. However, if the temperature keep increasing, it can cause the enzyme denature. The enzyme, including its active site, will change its shape and the substrate no longer fit. Last but not least, the fifth question is, does enzyme decrease as our age increase? Discuss. Dr. G.O. Ivey states that for many enzyme molecules, their synthesis may be decreased with age. The process sometimes may be slowed down and it can cause the food that we eat move slowly through the colon. As when we age, our organs sustain gradual cumulative damage which impairs their ability to function properly, especially when we get older and suffer with some disease, and the disease that we had affect our organ which responsible to produce the digestive enzyme. If those organs got sick, it will not be able to work properly, which can cause digestive problem. To conclude, enzymes are important in our life. Without enzymes, the food that we eat become a waste and can cause many problems too. But sometimes when our age increase, our body don't produce enough enzyme or they don't work as effective as they should, which means they may be need to take the digestive enzyme supplement. Digestive enzyme supplement can work as our own natural digestive enzyme, but it is important to use them sensibly as Fiona Lawson's claim that they may help you feel better, but they should not be regarded as a long-term solution. Next is reference. That's all from me. Thank you.